If you raise your left foot, it'll make this sound. There will be a time when you will lift your left foot to make the open sound. But for this entire course, we are leaving our left foot down. Doing so will help to develop proper balance. Now, as you are sitting behind your drum set, make sure that your left foot is in the down position on your hi-hat pedal. Your right foot is on the kick drum pedal, and your drum stick is in your right hand. Good! Now, we shall begin with a tempo of 65 beats per minute. Let's play it. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go.
I like candy. I like popcorn. I like movies. Rest. 2, 3, 4.